First, open up the box here. There's a cardboard cover here. I already took the head out of this box so I could look at it because one side was dented, so I just wanted to check it to make sure it was good. But so the head is already out of the box. Here is one of the wings. Then you have another wing here. This is the very big base for this animatronic. Here is one of the arms. Another arm piece here. Same as the last one, just for the opposite side. You have the instructions. There are these little plate pieces to cover where you do the snap locks at the end. Then you have the first foot. This looks to be a leg piece. I believe this is another leg. I think this is the upper part to the leg. Another leg piece. Another leg piece. The other foot. Here is the adapter, so we are missing an adapter. Here is the upper body piece here, very heavy piece. Here is the head to the animatronic. I actually did not realize that as I was setting this up that I did not take out any of the support poles, but here they are inside of this box here. Now, let's cut to the set. Before we start the setup, I just want to go through the parts. You can see all the parts that come inside the box for this animatronic. We have the base, 4 leg pieces, arms, extra caps, the 2 wings, 2 feet, the main torso, and the head, and all the pole supports for the animatronic. Okay, so we are now back from the setup time lapse that you guys just watched. Now, this thing is fully set up, and wow, this thing looks really cool. The detail in the wings with the veining is really cool. The sculpt of this thing is amazing. The face looks awesome. This is an amazing looking animatronic. The one thing I will say is that I don't know if this is like it on all of them, but the one that I got, to connect the big upper torso to the top of the legs there, that part was a little bit of a struggle on this side. We actually had to sand down the metal tubing a little bit just to get it to slide in better, and even then it was still difficult. We had to really move around the leg and try to get it in. It was not easy. And the other thing was trying to get the wings connected to the back of the body there. The tubing on that was also a little bit of a struggle to connect into the back. We actually had to sand that one down. Even still, it was difficult, but that helped a little bit. So I will say that's the one thing, is the metal tubing on this is a little bit difficult to connect. I definitely recommend having 2 people, as it did take 2 people to do most of the parts on this, except for like the lower parts here and the arms and the head. But a lot of the big heavy stuff did require 2 people. But that's about it for the, I guess you could say, review of this animatronic. Let's cut to the demo.